Are you interested in creating a cosmetic product in 3D using the free 3D software Blender? This course is perfect for you. I'm Samuel Logosu and I will guide you step by step on how to create a realistic product in Blender. In this course, we will craft a lipstick in a beautiful setting. We will go through the various stages of 3D product creation, including modeling, lighting, material creation, UV unwrapping to apply textures, and finally rendering. I will demonstrate all the techniques you need to successfully navigate each step of creating a product in a 3D software like Blender. By the end of this training, you will have mastered all the stages of creating a product, empowering you to kickstart your own projects in Blender. Are you ready to get started? See you in a moment.